Are you a believer in trend trading?
I am, because that's probably where I've made a lot of my money. And if we go back to when we started the interview, we were talking about the first sort of million that I made was the car phone business. Forget about looking at that was a trend. You know, I saw something in the market. I saw these phones and I thought, oh, you know, these are going to become more and more popular. There's something to be made here. So when we talk about trends, don't just think about in the market, think about trends in fashion, think about trends in the latest gizmo or whatever, you know. I can't remember if you remember, Alex, just recently there was these things, I saw these people with these bands or these little beads sort of thing, and whoever was selling those, I can't remember what they're called, but they were like loads of elastic bands and people wore them on their wrist or something. And whoever was making those was doing really, really well. And then of course, you know, then you get the next fashion or you get the next trend. But you know, there are trends in life. There's always trends. So yeah, I'm a big believer in trends.
And why is it that you think trend following works, or is it just because you think there's always trends in life?
Because there's different parts of a trend. There's like, you know, early adopters, then you get all the people that get in, and then obviously get the late people that come into it. But I believe there's cycles. There are cycles in life. And you know, products basically pick up, and we don't try to be the first in. We're not going to be the first out. There's money to be made in the middle of that trend. But it's just human nature, you know, there's trends.